beautiful girl, wherever you are. I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said
Hello Mareng, happy 18th birthday na ako message para nimo. I wish you all the best in life. May all your dreams and wish come true. Hope your special days bring you all heart desires. I'm so blessed to have a friend like you. Thank you so much. No birthday wish, greetings, and message can express how much I appreciate you. This birthday message explains the unconditional bond I have for you. I don't have insightful birthday quotes that will define you as my friend. Thank you for being the best friend ever, Maring. Pwede na ka magyabuyab kay iting na ka. Joke sa antas imong mama. Bitaw, I miss you so much na. Uli inari akan magtaga na ta. Kumusta imong life para Ingon biya ka na mo before nga di pa ka ready mo aras Canada kay di nimo kayang biya nimong lula ug lulo. Kay mingawon ka. Sige para ba kagilak ato nga time nag 11 pa ta kay nagkanam-anam ang days nga malagahay na ka. Medyo nag-goal jud ming atelier ug anabil nga nilarga na ka. Gimingaw jud mi nimo ato nga time pero nag video call man pud tano. Okay ra. Mingaw ko slalis sa tong duha malditang gudta. Uli na ari awon ako kasimbayad sa room. Untag di minimo kalimtan dugay para ba kara I hope nga di mabag-oy mo pagtagad na mo iguli nimo diri pohon-pohon. Amping mo ara kanunay sa imong mama. Again, happy 18th birthday Maring. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Di na no taason kay kabon hakagunsa ka no kalam. Bita happy 18th birthday Maring. Chocolate ra ako gamay ka no. Bye.
Ate Angel, more birthdays to come in. I hope you get a nice birthday. Yeah.
Nako, gift ni
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Angel. I love you. I miss you.
To my first daughter, Tricia Angelica, happy 18th birthday. My wish for you in your birthday is always good health, always having peace of mind, and I just want to say thank you for being so respectful to us. You are not just only respectful, but you're also mindful to others. You make sure that everything around you were in good hands, especially to our parents, your lolo and lolas, where you support them, you work hard just to support them, and time just flies so fast that you were in my care where you are still 6 months, and during those time, that is the time where responsibility is in my hand, where I need to take care of a baby. I considered you as a daughter, my first daughter, you know that, and sometimes I reprimand you because I want you to be a good person and I want you also to achieve your goals. So I hope God will give you more wisdom. God will give you the blessings that what you dream for, what your goal in life, you will achieve it and you'll be successful someday. And you know that you are loved. You know that in our hearts you are always here. You know that you are my daughter. You know that I am thankful that I was able to be with you during those times, and Thank you also for being the blessings to everybody who's around you, and thank you for being a good person. And just enjoy your life. Just enjoy your life. Don't rush everything, because everything will come. Everything will just, as long as you are not rushing, everything will go smoothly as you wish, as you want, and you'll be able to feel the success, not directly, but slowly by slowly you will feel the product of being a successful person. So I wish you again good health and happy birthday.